These are the saddest dog moments. Like at number 3, they'll remember this Christmas present forever.
3, 2, 1.
And at number 2, his dad took his toy and he can't stop crying.
Oh no. Oh no. Did he take it?
And before number 1, don't forget to like and subscribe if you think dogs are funny. Comment a heart if you love dogs. He was heartbroken when she didn't let him kiss her.
I have to have both hands. Nope, no lip kisses. I have to have both hands on. Are you gonna cry? You wanna know? I'm sorry, I don't do lip kisses.